Oh my, that's in reverse. Hey guys, I have a little package arriving in the post today, and I bet from showing you guys this helmet, I bet you guys can guess what it is. When the truck arrives, I'll show you guys. We got it, baby. Okay, so hello guys. As you guys could probably tell from the skateboard helmet, that I got an electric skateboard. So it's a lot better than my longboard over there. So let's just unbox this. Just cut these. Okay, so let's just open this bad boy up. Okay, so as I guessed, it is a box inside of a box, because I'm pretty sure that the company that makes this does not trust the company that they ship with. I checked it out on Google and it is 2.7 out of 5 stars, so it's not the best shipping company. The board that I got is the Black Hawk Street Series version 3.
Box inside another box.
Okay. And then, second. Can you guys see it now? Oh. Ooh. Nice little, some paper from Black Hawk. Quality control checklist. So at least we know that it's supposed to work. And yeah, this right here is the board. The Black Hawk Electric Street Series version 3. So my first impressions of this, it seems to be pretty decently built for the price point at least. Let me just take this one. Okay, so this is quite a weighty board, weighing in at about 6 or 7 kilos, I believe. Oh, that's a nice little touch on the deck. It's quite a heavy board, but they included this handrail, so you're easy carrying. Not really, it's kind of heavy, but from what I see, the grip tape looks pretty solid. These are brushless 400 watt motors. They seem pretty good. Let's look what's inside the box. Charging cable. Control. Oh my, that control's small. Here, I'll just put it in my hand for... Well, I guess it kind of fits perfectly, but at the same time, I don't know if that's good or bad. Okay, the control's a little smaller. Multi-tool to fix it if there's any problems. And power plug. I don't think this came with any instructions, so I guess we're just gonna have to ride and find out. Okay, let's power this bad boy on. Oh, I think this is the charging cable down here. That's pretty cool. So this board, I believe, has like 76mm rims. Oh, this grip tape is lifting up. I don't know if that's meant to happen. I'll just stick that down again. But I'm going to turn this bad boy on and see what happens. Oh, it turns on. Seems to have be like 50% charged, then I'll turn on this one. Seems pretty good. Seems quite responsive. Now the real test is, gotta put on this helmet and let's go try it. Okay, so this is gonna be the first ride on the Street Series version 3. So right now it's in high mode. I don't know how good this is gonna be, but let's go. Oh my, that's in reverse. Okay, let's go. Oh wow.
Dang, that is fast.
Okay, so it's pretty easy for a beginner to pick up. I feel like the remote is it's a little small if I'm not being honest. This is a good beginner, what do you call it, electric longboard from what I've seen so far. It's quite easy to pick up, so I'm just gonna, because right now I'm like riding this in the high mode, so if you're if you really wanted like begin, you'd probably start in the low mode like this. Here it's like kind of slow, so I just put it straight up to high. It is really easy to pick up riding this board. Like I've only ridden it once and I'm feeling good about it. It's really, really easy to ride. I have to commend Black Hawk on that. The board feels a little, I guess it's not like the top craftsmanship, because like for the price it was only $500. Like you can't expect that much. But wait a second, let me just move out of the way. Also, the reverse function is quite handy when you're doing stuff like that. It's quite annoying how you have a reverse button though. And I also believe that I didn't get a charger for this included, which is kind of weird. Maybe I like lost it, or maybe it didn't come. That was kind of weird, but
He's somewhere down there. I found him. Next to the car in the background. The little blob. Whoa, bro, you good?
yeah. Yeah, the remote is quite responsive, like forward, reverse, back, forward. It's quite a responsive board. Like the connection's pretty good as well. Like I don't have to be riding it like this to get the connection. Overall, I would say that this is about a 60 out of 100. It's a good beginner board, and for the price point, I would recommend getting this board. But I wouldn't really use this as your main form of transportation. This is more of like just like a little, like go to the shops or something. I don't think that this would be good enough to be a main mode of transportation. So this is more of just like a leisure vehicle, I guess you could say. It's easy to ride though, so that's good. Wait a second.
And off he goes.
One thing that I think is really good about this board is that it's really easy to control. It's also quite a smooth ride, considering this is like seven layers of like Canadian maple or something. So the specs for this board The deck dimensions are 90 centimeters long by 23 centimeters wide. The wheels are 72 millimeters in diameter and 51 millimeters wide. The deck material is 7-layer Canadian maple. The range is up to 15 kilometers. The speed is up to 20 to 25 kilometers per hour. The ability to climb a hill gradient is up to 5%. The board weighs 6 kilos. The charge time is 3 hours. The motors are two 400-watt brushless motors, and the battery is an LG 4.4 amp hours, 24-volt lithium-ion battery. And the weight limit is 90 kilos.